Sometimes the world feels too big to fix, but change often begins in the smallest, quietest places, inside one person's heart. There was a young man named Liam. He lived in a quiet town where the mornings were soft, and the streets were lined with old trees that remembered more than people did. But lately, Liam felt heavy. Everywhere he looked, he saw anger, noise, and tired faces moving too fast. He often whispered to himself, "Why is the world like this? Why were people impatient? Why did kindness feel rare? Why did everyone seem to chase something they couldn't name?" One late afternoon, when the sky was the color of faded gold, Liam walked to a small lakeside, his favorite place to breathe. There, he found an old man sitting alone on a wooden bench, feeding crumbs to the quiet water. Liam sat beside him. For a while, they said nothing, just the lake, just the wind, just the feeling of life moving slowly again. The old man suddenly asked, "Why do you look so troubled, son?" Liam hesitated, then said, "I want the world to be kinder, calmer, more gentle. But I'm just one person." The old man nodded as if he had been waiting for that sentence all his life. He picked up a small stone and placed it gently in Liam's hand. "Throw it," he said. Liam tossed the stone into the lake. It fell with a soft sound. Then waves began to expand outward. Quiet, steady, endless. "Do you see?" the man whispered. "One small stone, and the whole lake moves." Liam watched the ripples travel far, touching places the stone never reached. The old man continued, "The world doesn't change all at once. It changes through gentle waves created by people brave enough to start. If you want the world to be kind first. If you want patience, practice patience. If you want honesty, live honestly." The wind was soft. The moment felt sacred. Something opened inside Liam. A quiet shift, like a door he didn't know existed. That night, he walked home slower than usual. He held the old man's words in his chest like a small, warm light. The next morning, he tried something new. He smiled at the grumpy shopkeeper. He helped an elderly woman carry her groceries. He listened, really listened, when a co-worker needed to talk. Small things, tiny waves. But slowly the world around him softened. People smiled back. The shopkeeper's voice warmed. The co-worker felt lighter. Liam realized something simple, but powerful. He hadn't changed the world. Not yet, but he had changed the part of the world he touched. And maybe that was enough to begin. Change doesn't arrive like thunder. It arrives like breath, quiet, steady, unnoticed by most. We often think we need power, influence, or a loud voice to transform something. But the truth is softer. The world shifts when hearts shift. When one person chooses compassion over anger, patience over frustration, presence over noise. Your actions may feel small, but someone else's life might expand because of them. And every wave starts with a single touch. So don't wait for the world to become better. Become the reason it does. Ripple effect. Meaning, a small action that creates larger spreading effects. Example. His simple act of kindness created a ripple effect in the whole community. Lead by example, meaning, show others what to do by doing it yourself. Example. She didn't lecture anyone. She led by example through her gentle actions. Small steps matter, meaning, even little efforts contribute to meaningful change. Example. He reminded himself that small steps matter even on days he felt unseen. The world doesn't need you to be perfect. just present, just kind, just willing to begin. If this story touched you, stay with me for more.